Hey, and welcome back. I'd like to take about 5 minutes to give you guys a quick update on the driveway repair. Like I said before, a lot of hard work and not much to show for it, but I guess that's how it goes. Hey, welcome back. We're having some fun today. I'm still chipping away at it. It's only 89 degrees. Luckily, the humidity is only 42%. I've managed to take a bite out of this pile, but still a lot of gravel left. Let's walk up the driveway real quick, take a look at what I've done so far. It's easy to tell where the new gravel's been laid. All that you see on the left-hand side was done previously. May not look like much, but it's taken several wheelbarrows to fill up this bad spot I got right here in the middle. This gravel, or base material, was pretty moist when I had it delivered. Starting to dry out, so I'm going to add some water to it, then try to pack it down with the truck. So I got Charlie supervising as I try to pack his gravel down with the truck. Feeling smoother already. I believe this truck weighs about 5,800 pounds, so I'll pack it down a little bit. I guess for the next hour, I'm just going to sit here, go up and down the driveway, burn this diesel fuel. Luckily, it's only about $3 a gallon. Drive up a little bit farther, you see the work I did last time. Yep, spreading gravel with a shovel and a wheelbarrow ain't no fun. Well, I've yet to build a retaining wall, so I did not bring the gravel all the way to the edge. Do my best to back it down. Oh, Charlie's having a good time. She likes riding in the truck. She don't care if we're just going up and down the driveway or the store. Well, I believe I've had about enough fun for the night. Well, that's all I got for this evening. I guess I'll see y'all next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Have a good night, everybody.